Hello everyone, I'm Kajal and today we are going to discuss the 7th class of chapter number 4 excretory system, and this is your first chapter of the second term. So we are going to discuss about the excretory system. Excretion, what do you mean by excretion? Excretion is a process by which the waste products from your body are expelling out from your body, that in the form, maybe in the form of urine or by the phases process also, means as a solid discharge and as a liquid discharge from your body. So in your body number of minerals are also present, salts are present, and excess salts, the accumulation of excess salts are leading a kind of toxic matter in your body that is poisonous for you, and expelling out from your body is known as the excretion. We are going to discuss about the excretory system, the whole process, how the excretory organs are working and how excretion takes place in our body. So let us begin. Firstly, excretory organs. There are 4 main excretory organs that are performing their process in the excretion process. First is the kidney, second one is the liver, third organ is the lungs, and the fourth one is skin. So these are the main 4 parts that are excretory organs that are performing their functions in our body. First one is the kidneys. Kidneys are performing the function, they are expelling out the waste in the form of urine. While urination process, the excess salts and as well as the uric acid that are expelling out from our body, and who is responsible to send them out? Kidneys are responsible to send them out. Here is the diagram of the kidneys. Here one kidney, they have given you the diagram of a left human kidney. So next one is the liver. Liver is working with the help of spleen. Organ spleen is present, and where it is present, mind it, the location of a spleen is coming in the exam, so you have to remember that. Spleen is present here, this is the stomach part of your body, and spleen is present on the left side of the stomach. Left, just up to this part, here the spleen is present. Next one, and spleen, what is the main function of the spleen? Spleen is expelling out the broken RBCs. The lifespan of RBCs is very short, and after completion of their lifespan, the RBCs are breaking down in the liver as well as in the spleen. And spleen is retaining their essential part. Essential part means iron, they are retaining inside it, and afterward they are expelling out the waste with the help of kidneys throughout from the body, as in the form of phases again. Next one, lungs. Lungs, you know that during the respiration process we are inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. So lungs are responsible for that exchange of the gases. Carbon dioxide is a kind of waste that lungs are throwing out from our body. Next one is the skin. Skin is the excretory organ that is expelling out the excess salts as well as urea from our body in the form of sweat. The sweat pores are present there, sweat glands are present. Here you can see the diagram of a skin. These are known as the sweat glands. Here these sweat glands are present in the epidermis layer of the skin. Epidermis is the upper layer of the skin, and in the epidermis these sweat glands are present. These sweat glands are mixing with the water, salt as well as the urea in our skin, and with the help of sweat pores they are expelling out that waste from our body in the form of sweat. So that by the sweating process, urea, salts and other waste products are coming out from our body. Urea, how urea is forming? Urea is forming with the breakdown of the amino acids. In our body, amino acids are present. So with the breakdown of amino acids, urea is forming in our body. But it leads the formation of urea in our body, and as well as amino acids are responsible for the formation of proteins too, and it is also forming from the proteins, means they are forming from the proteins as well as few amount of that amino acids are converting into urea, and few again are forming the proteins. So this is the work of these excretory organs. So they are doing their works. How they are, let us repeat that works. First is the kidney part. Kidney is expelling out the urine from our body. Liver is expelling out the RBCs, the broken RBCs from our body. Next one, lungs are expelling out the carbon dioxide, and skin part is expelling out the sweat from our body. So by that way they are working. So this was my topic. Hope you understood. Thank you very much.